Hey everyone, Joe here. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by today. Today I'm outside again, and I'm actually by my sister-in-law's house today. And there's an area on the one side of her fence that she's having trouble growing things, and I have that hosta. If you saw my video yesterday, you know I mentioned that I pulled out one of my hostas, and she asked me if I could give her some of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up this area on this side of her fence, and I'm going to split the hosta, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that, and I hope you will enjoy this little video. If you have hostas, you probably know you can do this, or you might not know you can do this. So it's really easy to split, but it's best to do it now. In fact, I'm a little bit late already in splitting because I like to split them when they're, you know, just maybe 2 inches or 3 inches out of the ground, and already they're getting gigantic. So I'm going to split that, and I'll show you during the season how they're doing. So let me go get that. Okay, so you can see this is the little area that she just wants the hostas in, and it's kind of a mess, and so I'm going to try to straighten it out a little bit for her and just make this look a little bit better. All right, so here is the hosta that I dug out, and as you can see, I mean, it's very, very heavy root ball, and what you want to just do is you want to go in here and separate out. I mean, you could separate each and every single one of these out. I'm not going to do that as much. I'm probably going to break this into, I'm going to try 4 pieces. All right, so the first thing I did was I split it in half, and I was going to try to use a spade, but it was pretty dense in there. So I wound up using this flat-edged shovel that, I use for my edging, so you can see right there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and split it again. Okay, so there you go. You see I have 4 pieces, and they're pretty hefty pieces right here. And don't worry about that. That should not be a problem, like that area right there. It'll harden off, and like I said, you could actually divide these into, every single one of these can be a separate piece, and that's what Home Depot was charging $6 a plant for. So a plant like this from Home Depot would be about $50. Okay, so let me go back over there and clean that area up. Okay, so the first thing I did was she had some sedum growing underneath the fence, so I took that out, and I'm going to replace that. That can be split up too and put in a lot of places. That's that succulent, and it's very, very hard. Okay, so what I did was nothing fancy. I just straightened out the edge of this right here. I removed that grass that had grown into the bed, and with the flat shovel I just made a nice clean edge. So the first thing I did was I transplanted some of these irises. They're over here on this side of the entrance to the fence, so I echoed it on this side as well. Now, I didn't put a lot because, like you can see there, they spread a lot, so I just wanted it to echo the same sentiment on this side. Okay, so there it is. Nothing fancy, just straightforward. What I did was I put the irises there to echo what's on the other side of the fence. Sorry, there's a helicopter going over. It's always a truck or something here. Here's 2 of the hostas that I took from my house, and I moved that sedum there. And then I grouped her 3 hostas here together. I dug those out because those have a little bit different kind of a leaf and a sedum in the front. And then down here, 2 more of the hostas that I took from my house, and with the sedum in the front. So I just straightened out the edge, and I cleaned it up for her, and let's see if she notices it when she gets home from work. Okay, everybody, so that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by, and hopefully I'll be seeing you tomorrow. So take care, everybody. Bye-bye.